Hi, I'm Julian from Maxitech, and today I'm going to show you how we integrated our lighting C-bus system with Wiser to allow us to control our lights from our mobile phones, iPads and desktop computers. The Wiser also allows you to use and control your lights from anywhere in the world. So at the moment I'm using my network connection instead of being on the local network, and it still allows me to communicate instantly. The iPad is on the Wi-Fi network and it's working seamlessly even though this network is separate. The PC interface is the same as the iPad interface, so it has all the same features as well. We can add scenes which can control groups of lights or groups of accessories. We can look at trend logs to monitor information. We have schedules to activate things at certain times or on certain dates. And we also have scripting, which allows for the widget for the app to function, which allows you to select 8 lights or scenes which are your favorites and use them at any time without needing the app open. The Wiser is directly linked to the C-bus system, and here we can see every lighting group that is on the system. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us using any of the links in the description below, and I look forward to helping you with any C-bus needs in the future.